my friends, Ellen here. Hope you're having a wonderful day and welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to on today's recipe. I'm going to show you how to make Southern barbecue meatloaf, and it's going to be so simple and easy to make. It'll be perfect for Sunday dinner or any time of the week. And my friends, this sauce we're going to put on is going to be the bomb.com. It's going to be so delicious. And if you're a fan of barbecue and meatloaf, you will love this recipe. All right, you ready? Let's go bake some barbecue meatloaf magic in my Southern kitchen. Alright, in my bowl I have 2 8-ounce cans of tomato sauce, and we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of worcestershire sauce, 3 tablespoons of dark brown sugar, and 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. We're going to stir all this together. Alright my friends, in my bowl I have 1.5 pounds of ground chuck, and we're going to add in 1 cup of dry breadcrumbs, 1/2 cup of the reserved tomato sauce, salt and black pepper to taste. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing my meatloaf, so now we're going to foam it into a loaf, and we're going to put it in a 9x13-inch baking dish. Alright my friends, I got my meatloaf in the pan, so now we're going to pour this luscious barbecue sauce right on top. Lord have mercy, that looks good. Alright, so now it's time to put this baby in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for 1 hour. Alright, I'll see y'all back here in a minute. Alright my friends, there you have it. Southern barbecue meatloaf. Don't that look good? And it smells awesome in this kitchen. You can smell that sauce. Ooh, my mouth's watering. Alright, so all we do is let our meatloaf cool for just a little bit, and then I'll fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. And now for the moment of truth. And I'm serving it with some green beans and some rice and gravy on the side. Ooh, look how nice and moist this is. Ooh wee! Here we go. It melts in your mouth, and that sauce is amazing, my friends. And also leftovers great for sandwiches too. I'm in meatloaf heaven. This is another bite. Meatloaf-licious. Well, I want to thank you so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Let's eat.